Jumping in the shower used to be a 2-minute act, just a quick splash and you're done. But now, thanks to Tik Tok, we've turned scrubbing up into a marathon event. The trend is called the everything shower, where people spend 2 to 4 hours just getting squeaky clean. Hair masks, exfoliating scrubs, and even shaving oil sits like a spa day in your own bathroom. And for those who hit the gym or go for a morning run, why not take it outside? Swap the treadmill for the sidewalk, and soak up some rays while you're at it. It's a 2-for-1 deal, fitness and sunlight. Just remember, while the sun is your friend, sunscreen is your guardian. Protect your skin while you're out there boosting your mood and catching those rays. It's like wearing armor while basking in the glory of the sun. Ever wondered what happens when you swallow a sponge? Me neither, but chia seeds are the next best thing. Let's dive into the world of these tiny but mighty seeds that could probably absorb your problems if you ask nicely. Imagine chia seeds as tiny magicians in your stomach, pulling a disappearing act with your hunger. Just add water and boil, instant stomach filler. They're like the 0-calorie burger of the plant world. But here's a pro tip: don't turn yourself into a chia pet. Drinking chia seeds without enough water is like inviting a cactus to a pool party. Spoiler alert, it's going to suck up all the moisture and leave you feeling like a dried up sponge. Let's get real for a second. Chia seeds are not just for decoration or your Instagram smoothie bowls. They pack a punch with omegas, which are great for your brain. So you could say fiery brain food that doesn't make you smarter but definitely healthier. Okay, but here's the catch: eating too many can turn you into a human pit of bloating. So, if you're planning on downing a whole bag, maybe don't make any tight pants plans. To sum it up, chia seeds are like that weird but cool friend who's always a bit too much if you hang out too long. Use them wisely, mix them into your food, and hey, you might just find your new favorite snack. Hey there, folks. Ever wondered what happens when you dunk your face into ice-cold water? Well, get ready to dive into the frosty facts, because today, we're unraveling the chilly mysteries of submerging your precious mug into freezing ho. So, picture this: you roll out of bed, stumble to the bathroom, and bam! You're hit with a splash of ice water on your face. It's like a wake-up call from the Arctic, am I right? The hashtag Shartik has exploded with over 6 billion views. That's right, billion with a B. People are not just washing up, they're turning their bathrooms into content studios, filming every scrub and rinse. Suddenly, my 5-minute rinse feels kind of underwhelming. But wait, there's more. Besides jogging you awake faster than a double espresso, that icy plunge can actually help reduce puffines. Yep, say goodbye to those under-eye bags faster than you can say good morning. Here's the science why bit: when your face meets freezing water, your blood vessels do a little shimmy and constrict. That's vasoconstriction in action, folks. And what does that mean? Well, it means less inflammation, less redness, and a whole lot of "I woke up like this" vibes. Now, hold your horses. Before you start planning to take an ice bath every morning, let's keep it real. While dunking your face in cold water can work wonders, it's not a magic potion for all your skin problems. Sorry, folks, no miracle cure for acne or wrinkles here. So, there you have it, folks. The cold, hard truth about dunking your face in ice water. It's like a refreshing slap in the face from Mother Nature herself, but remember, moderation is key. Stay cool, stay refreshed, and stay tuned for more chilly adventures. Greetings, fellow adventurers. Ever pondered the mystique behind plunging your face into ice-cold water? Well, buckle up, because today, we're unraveling the icy enigma of submerging your precious visage into the chilling depths. Imagine this. You shuffle out of bed, stumble into the bathroom, and boom, a splash of ice water greets your face. It's like a wake-up call from the Antarctic, am I right? But hold on to your hats. Besides jolting you awake quicker than a double-shot espresso, that frosty plunge can actually help deflate puff ice. Yep, bid farewell to those under-eye bags faster than you can say good morning. Now, here's the nitty-gritty. When your face meets frigid water, your blood vessels tighten up like a drum solo. That's vasoconstriction in full swing, folks. And what does that entail? Well, it means less inflammation, less redness, and a whole lot of I woke up like this swagger. But hold your horses. Before you start planning your daily polar plunge, let's keep it real. While dunking your face in cold water can work wonders, it's not a cure-all for every skin woe. Sorry, folks, no magic potion for acne or wrinkles here. So there you have it, fellow frostbitten friends. The frosty, unvarnished truth about dunking your face in ice water. It's like a revitalizing smack from Old Man Winter himself, but remember, everything in moderation. Stay frosty, stay refreshed, and stay tuned for more chilling escapades. Beauty journalist Laura Capon says TikTok loves to romanticize the mundane. From cleaning to showering, it's all about making the everyday seem extraordinary. Next thing you know, there'll be a trend for glamorizing dishwashing. Ever thought you could eat your body weight in chicken nuggets? Well, some say you should match your protein intake to your body weight. That's right, if you weigh 150 pounds, that's 150 pounds of protein. Who even came up with this? Let's break it down. The recommended dietary allowance says you need about 0.36 grams of protein per pound. So, for a 150-pound human, that's only 54 grams. That's like 2 chicken breasts, not an entire farm. Why the obsession with protein, anyway? Sure, it's great for muscle repair and boosting your metabolism. But does that mean we need to turn into walking, talking protein shakes? Here's the kicker. Consuming your body weight in protein is like trying to drink your bathtub's worth of water every day. It's not just unnecessary, it's a heroic effort in digestion. Imagine the grocery bill too. Protein isn't just pricey, you'd need a separate fridge just for your weekly steak stash. Who's got space for that? Bottom line, folks, more protein isn't always better. It's about balance and finding what's right for your body. And hey, maybe save some room for a cookie or two. They don't have much protein, but happiness is a vital nutrient too, right? Ever wondered why your grandma's skincare tools look like they belong in a historical museum? Enter gua sha, the ancient skin scraping technique that's taking over everyone's beauty routine. It's not just a fancy rock, folks. It's a circulation-boosting, face-refreshing miracle worker. Imagine gently scraping your face with a smooth-edged tool. Sounds like a medieval torture method, right? But no, it's actually a relaxing spa day for your skin. Gua sha helps boost circulation, making your face look like it just finished a marathon in a good way. And who knew that dragging a stone across your cheek could help drain your lymph nodes? That's right, this trendy tool not only keeps your skin in check but also fights off that puffy morning face we all dread. But let's get real for a second. While gua sha can make you feel like you've got that Instagram filter on, it's not a magic wand. It works best when you actually remember to use it regularly, as part of a well-rounded self-care ritual. But what's the deal with these epic showers? They're all about self-care and stress relief. Imagine stepping out of the shower not just clean, but also completely rejuvenated. Plus, for the night owls of Gen Z, it's a productivity hack. Why sleep when you can exfoliate? And thanks to Tik Tok, everyone and their dog is now a goose shot expert. With all these videos, you'd think it's just a fad, but incorporating this practice into your daily routine might just give your brain the hint to keep up those good vibes. Remember, while it's tempting to jump on every viral health trend, keep a level head. Don't swap out your doctor's advice for a Tik Tok tutorial. When in doubt, chat with a professional who can guide your goose shot journey without turning it into a face-scratching disaster. And let's not forget the new hot item vaporist shower tablets, the new bath bombs. Just toss one in your shower and voila, your regular bathroom turns into a misty spa retreat. Who needs a fancy spa day when you have Tik Tok and a shower? With many living in cramped apartments or sharing homes, a luxurious bath is just a dream. That's where Tik comes in, making luxury accessible. It's like bringing a 5-star hotel experience to your tiny bathroom. Clever, right? Ever wondered why your cat loves lounging in that morning sunbeam? Maybe it's onto something. Getting some natural sunlight first thing in the morning isn't just great for those Instagram-worthy glowy selfies, it's actually a mood booster, courtesy of our brain's buddy, serotonin. Speaking of serotonin, that's the stuff in your brain that basically like hitting the I feel awesome button. And sunlight is like the natural caffeine for your mood. No coffee needed, just step outside. And it's not just about feeling good. Sunlight punches in a heavy dose of vitamin D, which is like the VIP pass for your bones and immune system. It's like turning your body into a superhero against germs and the common cold. Now, don't get it twisted, you don't need to wake up at the crack of dawn and sunbathe like you're at the beach. Even just a few minutes while you grab your morning brew can do the trick. It's all about that quality sun time, not quantity.